Let me go to the options and settings and get. It's a preview feature right now, and of course you can start using that if you are comfortable with that. But I don't suggest. There's an on-object interaction. This is a preview feature. Okay, so you can select this on-object interaction. Click on OK. So since you have enabled one or more preview features that require restarting Microsoft Power BI Desktop, these changes will take effect after you restart the application. So let me just show you how it looks like. I'm going to restart it. So the UI is a bit changing. Of course, that is not a mandatory, or if it's not, they are not enforcing you to use it. You can see the visuals have come up, text box, more visuals and all. And also the properties on the right side, you don't see the visualizations pane on the right side. Okay. As I said, every month we get a new feature. And this is kind of a major change that this option has already come 2 months back, 3 months back. But again, if you have to activate it, you have to go there, and it's kind of an on-object interaction. And you see, and also let's say if you are adding a visual, and the formatting options are not directly coming here on the right side, you can see just here along with the visual. Okay. And also if you can change the visuals directly, it is coming along. So this is called as on-object interaction. Just for your information, I'm just giving you a heads up. Okay. So people who are interested, yes, they can go and turn on the way I just did. So if you want to go back with the traditional look and feel, you can always go back to File, Options and Settings, Options. Click on the preview feature and just turn it off. Go to the preview feature and just turn off this on-object interaction and click on OK. Again, the same thing, it will ask you to restart. And you are good to go.